Hello children, as I told you that you have to grow plant with the help of vegetative propagation. So I am going to tell you how to trim the stem of the plant. So this is money plant. First you have to find out the node part of the plant. Node is that part from which the new branches are arising. For example, here you can see in this new branches are arising. So what I will do, I will trim the part of the leaf of the node like this for the vegetative propagation, right? This is my second plant that is commonly called Sadabahar. So here also you can find out the part of the plant where the nodes are present. Like you can find out at the apex of the stem. Like in this part you can see number of branches are arising. So I am cutting this plant branch from here. This is the node part, right? Like this. Yes, so these are the cut stems which I have cut from my plants, and in this jar I have taken honey and water, because honey is also as a work as a rooting hormone. You can use aloe vera gel also. So what I'm going to do, I am dipping my leaves into this so that rooting will start. All the leaves of money plant I have put here. You can add as many stems over there, because all stems are not going to produce the roots. So to increase the chances, I have put so many stems in this water. This is honey water. You can use only 1 spoon of honey in this much water, and then you can keep it near the balcony. You can put it where the prominent sunlight is there. Same way I have put some of the twigs of these morning glory. Same, it is also your honey water which are going to produce roots soon. So whichever your stem is producing the root, you can put it into the soil, or you can also keep it in the water so that they can flourish more. So in this way you can perform the activity of vegetative propagation by stem of the plant. Thank you.